Structure. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will be looking at the structure in this tutorial for Golang. Let's get started. A struct, which is short for structure, is used to create the collection of member of different data type into a single variable. While the arrays are used to store the multiple values of same data type into single variable, structure are used to store multiple values of different data type into single variable. Struct can be useful for grouping data together, which is also called composition or encapsulation in case of the OOPS. And struct is used to create the record. So here the syntax to create the struct is type struct name. Type is a keyword and we don't have to specify like integer or something like that here. We just have to specify the struct name, struct, and members of the struct with their data type. Here we are creating a new type of person, which is structure, and where we are specifying all the variables that are inside it. How to access the structure member? Using the dot operator between the structure and the variable name that we want to use. We can also specify the new values to struct in this way and access the values from it in the similar way. In next video, we will be taking a look at the Golang maps. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day. Thank you.